Today's learning objective is to develop shot put techniques. The first technique we're going to be focusing on is from a standing position. Okay, one of you is going to be the performer, the other person is the coach. And it's the coach's role to ensure that the performer gets into the correct throwing position. Key points here: weight on the back leg and high elbow. As we follow through into the actual release of the shot, we have the transfer of weight from back leg to front. We've got the rotation at the hips, the push-in action from the shoulder. One thing I want to draw your attention to is chin, knee and toe. Toe, knee, chin. So as you can see, they're all facing in the direction of where you have thrown the shot, which will help you generate power. Okay? Probably the most important key teaching point is the optimum angle of release. So if I measure in line with Mr. Eidman's shoulder and his point of release, we can see it's approximately 47 degrees, which is what we would like to see. Once the performer has thrown his shot and it's safe, the coach will then mark where the shot landed. Notice it is a push-in action. Okay, going on to the higher level technique, starting from a glide position. The glide position involves movement, which will help generate power. If we have a look at the front foot and the body position, which is actually facing the opposite direction of where we want to throw, what I would expect to see is this front foot is going to hop backwards and land approximately in this area here. So just hopping backwards there. Okay, and if I play this through now, it's exactly the same key teaching points. So we've got toe, knee, chin facing the direction of our throw. Okay, we've had the rotation of the hips and now the angle of release. Line it up with Mr. Eidman's shoulder and then his point of release, which, as you can see, is approximately 45 degrees, which is a very good example.